Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide I'm going to show you exactly how to cut the price to zero on Temu. Yes, get the stuff completely for free. It's not a hack, not a glitch, this is using Temu's own system of credits, referrals and discounts. So make sure you have a Temu account. I already have one and I'm logged in. If you're new, you can sign up through a invite link that gives you a welcome bonus, usually credits or free gifts. So always use a referral when registering. Inside the Temu app, you can tap on the U tab, then scroll to earn credits or free credits. So just press on U, credit balance. As you can see, mine is 0. And this is where you'll find campaigns that let you reduce prices to 0. Temu often runs promotions like cut price to free or /price challenge. You can either invite friends to tap your link or play mini games like Fishland or Farmland that reward you with coins and credits that reduce your cart value. When you're ready to buy, add the item to your cart, add to the checkout, and apply the credits or gift balance. So let us go to any product, for example, this one, and just go to the product, add it to cart. Right now you go to cart, and in here you will have your discounts available upon the checkout. And that's pretty much how you cut the price to 0. Now, if you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.